Less than 2% of Africa's population has been fully vaccinated. Mr. Kenyatta has been attending a 3-day Global Education Summit which he co-hosted with the UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson in London.
And I've been very clear on this. One of the things that really has shown how unequal this world is has been the kind of vaccine nationalism that we have seen, where we have, and I've stated this openly and severally, worked together, when they were doing clinical trials, when they were doing the research into some of these vaccines, and then all of a sudden, we find ourselves unable to access those same vaccines. And this is not just Kenya, it is basically the entire developing world. And I think this is something that really needs to be looked at, because the fact of the matter is nobody, not here in the UK, not in the United States, not in Germany, nobody's going to be safe until everybody's safe. And we need to be able to come up with a way of ensuring that there is going to be equity in the distribution of these vaccines. And this is something we on the African continent, we in Kenya, are very perturbed about. And that is why we're saying we need to now be able to focus on our own.
Many African leaders have been complaining that wealthy countries are hoarding vaccine, stockpiling supplies, and creating a system that some are calling a vaccine apartheid. They said instead of working together to craft and implement a global strategy, a growing number of countries are taking a my nation first approach to developing and distributing potential vaccines or other pharmaceutical treatments. Last month, Ugandan President Museveni challenged Africans to wake up from their deep slumber, accusing world powers of hoarding vaccines. He said vaccine nationalism is not only morally reprehensible, it is the wrong way to reduce transmission globally.